Christian channel makers, be blessed in the name of Jesus, and 6 subscribers. Now, let me explain how the process in progressive way looks on a YouTube for you. First day on YouTube, you make all the settings as you do, like the banner and your profile picture. Then you make a video, make the video 4 minutes or less. Next, you have to do the channel tags. Channel tags, put only 5 channel tags. You tag your video properly related to your content. Don't freak out on your first video, because your first video is just for YouTube to test you out. When you make and post your first video on a YouTube, wait for 24 hours. You put the new content on the YouTube and YouTube is testing you out. What it is, what this strange Christian channel maker, where shall we put him? YouTube is sorting you out where to send your video, to which audience to send your video. Now, next step is important for first 30 days. What do you do on your new Christian channel for the first 30 days is you put only videos up till 4 minutes, because you can see on the YouTube settings right here, you can see 4 minutes, and then from 4 minutes to 20 minutes, this is YouTube settings. So you better go with the YouTube settings. You keep your videos daily posted under 4 minutes, and you do this consistently, because YouTube is looking for consistent YouTube content creators, and you have to be one of them if you want to be fruitful and multiply. Now, when 30 days are behind you, you can start posting videos from 4 minutes till 20 minutes. That's not my idea, that's YouTube settings. YouTube expect you to do so. 5 channel tags, remember I told you? Now you double on that, you put 10 channel tags. Next, you break your video into chapters. Go and see in my description how I do this by the timeline. Add some more description, add some more playlist description, add some more about you description for your channel. But after 30 days have been successfully filled up with the 4-minute videos. First 3 months it takes for YouTube generally to put the stamp on you, what channel you are to what audience. So that's why you have to be so consistent. Once a week or once a day, post your videos to send out that consistency to YouTube that you are the channel about Bible study. And if you follow those principles what I'm sharing with you, in the first 3 months you should be able to get to the 1000 subscribers. Now the last part, when you reach the 1000 subscribers, this is where you get the freedom. This is where everything starts to happen on a YouTube in a totally different algorithm, I would say. After 1000 subscribers, suddenly you got more views, you got more subscribers coming, you don't know even from where, but it feels like YouTube is opening doors for you. You can post your 1 hour long church service videos there, and everything starts to growing on itself. This is what happens when you reach 1000 subscribers, including you get more church members if you are the pastor, leader, or if you are doing entrepreneurship on a YouTube. Whatever you do, be in a God's business and God will gonna be in your business. But for those of you who have already 100 subscribers, 300 subscribers, and you feel like you're stuck, I will make another video explaining what you should do to get 1000 subscribers quickly, fast, in matters of couple of months. See me on the next video.